So as we said in the last video, be careful from the lot of people bombing the coin, and they said Shiba will go up. As said, there is a big fake out will happen in this video. You see, we talked about Shiba and we said there is a resistance. We're gonna see a sell-off and the price is going down precisely as we said. We're gonna see a big sell-off here. We talked about in our Discord. If you're not joining already, 10,000 members already, so join us. And even on Patreon we discuss Shiba coin, crypto, stocks, you name it. So join us if you want to be in action and you never miss taking profit, or of course you sell, or if you want to buy, you buy around the dip. So you be always on the price level by the minute. So as I said, we got rejected here. So now you tell me, Jesus, what's gonna happen? Why the market's going up and down? This is normal. This is the market. So if you watch a lot of YouTubers who tell you, yeah, the Fed did this, yeah, did this, Shiba will go to $1. Unfortunately, we need times. Okay, we're gonna go to the $1. In the meantime, we want to make some money. Okay, we don't want to have wishful thinking and we want the price to go to the moon because some news come up. You see, there's still sell-off. We didn't clear the 0.4033. That's why the price going down. That's why I always here be ready and Bitget and put my buy limit order around this technical area and always be ready to short the market. I already did a short here for Gala and I'm making money right now. I put sell short limit for Gala and right now I'm making money even the market go down. So here if we go in Gala, yes, as we said, we predicted the price to go down because we inside or below this ascending line, and boom, here trigger my short position when the price went below the 0.34, and this is perfect trade. Okay, boom, this is right now in the money. The price will go here, take my profit, to profit taking, which is will be 0.31 and 0.28 for Shiba. Here we're gonna see the price go consolidate and find support. Right now I think we're gonna see a support here. Okay, there's a strong support. Right now we should hold around this area. This would be perfect for Shiba, okay, to consolidate, then break the 0.33. okay, around the 0.402947. right now we testing it. If we hold it, perfect, this is what confirm Shiba will have a bit of gaining momentum and the price will go to 0.33, and this time we're gonna see a break and genuine buying pressure. Okay, this is for Shiba. If we go in Dogecoin, I already get a message right now. Yes, I'm getting more repetition on TradingView because I do alerts, so you can join us on TradingView if you want to get alert. You see, we did AMC, BTC, and a lot of alert, live alert. You see, you get entry point, exit point. So join us with the link in comment section below. You get discount for the TradingView, and join us here in community section with me and follow me and see my trade live. So as I said, let's go to Doge. Doge is going back down after we have the 0.61776 resistance going back. Right now we have a clear support. So for Doge, if we hold this support, this will be nice. Okay, will be, you say hallelujah, the price will continue to go up. If we just hold the 0.16 right now is being tested. This is it for Doge. Okay, so I do a lot of update for this in coming days. So hit the notifications so you never miss any my future update. Join Bitget if you want 158 bonus free trial fund, 150 USD Tether, so you can actually trade with me to hunt for exact price value on future. Okay, so without further ado, see you in the next update.